So as Dave mentioned, the user will receive a link in their email which will direct them to the page that you see here. This link also contains all of the client and property information, so the user doesn't have to spend time entering that manually. To start, the user is going to be prompted to upload the inspection report along with any other documents that they wish to reference. And as these documents are being uploaded, there's going to be a short video tutorial that explains how the process works. Adding repair requests is as simple as highlighting the information you want to include in the repair request document just by clicking and dragging the cursor over the area you wish to capture. Some users like to just highlight comments, others like to include comments and photos, and you can also combine multiple comments into a single item if you'd like. After the repair request is captured, the user can specify exactly what they're requesting in the text boxes at the bottom of the screen. They can also request a credit in lieu of repairs or any other concessions depending on the state regulations. To check how the progress of the document is coming out, the user can click the View Progress button, and as you can see, your logo will appear at the top left corner of each document, and all of the client and property information will be displayed up here at the heading. The user can edit any of this information, including the title of the document, just by clicking the Edit General Info button. Here we can see our first item, along with the buyer-specific request for that item. To continue making more requests, we just click the Keep Working button and repeat the process until the document is complete. Once the document is complete, just click the Finish button and the finished document will download automatically to the user's device where it can be found in the Documents folder. And simple as that, we have a nice organized repair request document that the buyer can then present to the seller, which eliminates all of the confusion and frustration often associated with this process. We do encourage you to trial the system for yourself by visiting RequestBuilder.com and clicking on the free demo link. Thank you.